Imagine designing a skyscraper, a car, or even a piece of furniture, all from your computer. Sounds cool, right? That's where AutoCAD comes in, one of the most popular design tools in the world. AutoCAD, short for Automatic Computer-Aided Design, is a software developed by Autodesk. It's been around since 1982 and has become the go-to tool for architects, engineers, and designers to create 2D drawings and 3D models with precision. AutoCAD is incredibly versatile. You can draft precise 2D floor plans for buildings, create 3D models of cars, machines, or even art installations, and design technical blueprints for engineering projects. Let's say you're an architect designing a house. In AutoCAD, you can draft the entire floor plan with exact dimensions, down to the placement of windows and doors. It ensures no measurement is off, saving time and money during construction. Or imagine you're a mechanical engineer designing a gear system. AutoCAD lets you model it in 3D, test its fit and movement, and ensure it's ready for manufacturing. So, why do millions of professionals rely on AutoCAD? Precision, it's incredibly accurate, down to fractions of a millimeter. Customization, you can use custom commands and plugins to speed up your workflow. Collaboration, you can easily share your designs in widely used formats like DWG and PDF. Here's the bottom line. AutoCAD is a powerful tool for 2D and 3D design, used across industries like architecture, engineering, and manufacturing. It helps professionals turn ideas into reality with unmatched precision and flexibility. Whether you're designing a dream home or a cutting-edge machine, AutoCAD has got you covered. Curious to see AutoCAD in action? Let me know in the comments what you'd love to design with it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. See you in the next one.